We had this lot of pages in here for cutting and gluing today. And this page is a lot of subtraction equations. And when I made this packet, I thought it would fit here, but now that I'm looking, I think we need to do more practice. So I'm going to save this page with the fish that we cut and glue and use for our equations. I'm saving this for our week 9 extras. So I'm putting that aside, and if you've already done it, great, but if you need help doing it, wait until the video for week 9 extra. Because we really need to use some more objects in order to learn how to do subtraction and to really practice it a lot. Okay, so these are more stories. It says use objects to subtract. And so we're going to use some counters. I have my little counters again today. And we have a story. Okay, 6 astronauts landed on the moon. So I need 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need one more. There's our 6 astronauts on the moon, bouncing around. Now, it says 2 astronauts leave. And this is the point where I always draw the circle and draw the line on it to show the 2 that have left. So these guys, they are tired of being on the moon and off they go. Okay, so we started with 6 and 2 left the moon. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's show our work on our paper by making circles as we pick it up so that we do the right number. Pick it up, we draw a circle, and we move it off. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 astronauts, 2 left, and how many were, 2 left the moon. How many were left on the moon? All right, there were 4. Good job. Down, back, down some more. And that's how we show, and with objects, how many were left. Now here are some objects, and we are going to read the stories. For number 1, this is our example. 3 penguins are on an iceberg. 1, 2, 3. 1 penguin got tired and went away. We're going to show that by putting an X on that guy. How many are left on the iceberg? 1, 2. And so we're going to write the number 2. 2 are left. We're practicing that vocabulary. Let's look at number 2. 6 snowflakes fell from the sky. Well, I guess we need 6 snowflakes. They're not on the page, so I'm just going to draw an X and a line through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 snowflakes fell from the sky. 3 melted. All right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I did those a different color so I could tell which ones were melted. 3 of them were melted. How many snowflakes are left? 1, 2, 3 are left floating around. And so I need to write the number 3. 3 are left. So this is a little tricky, so be sure you draw your snowflakes in a different color or show somehow the ones that are left. All right, number 3. 3 snowballs fell from the sky. Snowballs, oh no. 3 snowballs are stacked to make a snow person. All right, so I've got 3 big snowballs stacked to make a snow person. Here's 1, here's 2, and here's 3. 2 fell off. Oh my goodness. His head fell off. His belly fell off. How many snowballs are left to make that snow person? Just 1. Straight line down. No hooks or lines on the bottom, please. Just a straight line down for number 1. Okay, on my own. I'm going to read the story, and you're going to draw the little counters or use counters. And this is kind of a funny one because there's a little fish here And the story I'm reading is about penguins, which is really funny. I'm confused about that. But we are going to go ahead and draw penguins because that's what the story said. And I'm noticing that this penguin is just sort of an oval. Almost looks like an egg. And then he's got some flippers. Whoops. He's got some eyes. Got some flippers. He's got that white belly and 2 little flat feet. Well, they want us to make 5 of these, so I'm going to make them kind of small. Okay. So here's one. Got his wings, 2 flat feet, his little belly. Okay, 1, 2. I'm going to make another one. Here's his eyes. Here's his flippers. There's 3. And we need 2 more. So let's make them right here. Here's his flippers. His feet. Here's his little belly. And 1 more. And they're swimming. Swimming penguins. Okay. We'll make this guy swimming on his back. Make his flippers up like that. Okay. So 5 penguins are swimming and 2 swim away. Let's have this guy. He looks like he's going away, and this guy. So they are swimming away. How many are left? We're not counting the fish. The fish was already there by himself. We're only counting penguins that we drew. So 1, 2, 3 are left. We had 5, and now 3 are left. There we go. Number 5. 7 penguins are in an igloo. 3 penguins go out to play. You know, drawing 7 penguins just seems like a lot of work. I'm going to use some counters to stand in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's a lot of penguins to draw. I'm just going to use these little counters and I'm going to trace them to stand for my penguins, because that was a lot to do. All right, so we have 7 penguins. They're supposed to be in this igloo, but I just need them to be out here on the snow so that I can count them, because the igloo is way too small. All right, so let's count our 7 penguins. And 3 penguins go out to play. Well, these are the guys that I'm going to say are playing. And since they are the ones leaving the igloo, I do need to put an X on them. These are the guys that are going out to play. And these penguins are the ones that are left. So I need to just draw a circle around them to show that they were left in the igloo. So we had 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 penguins went out to play. How many penguins are left inside the igloo? 1, 2, 3, 4. So down, back, and down some more. All right, number 6. A penguin has 6 mittens. He doesn't need 6 mittens. Let's put this many on him. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. He's got 6 mittens. She loses 1. Oh my goodness. 6 mittens and she loses 1. Well, this one looks like it's going to get left behind. So this is going to be the lost mitten. Okay. How many mittens are left? Well, this is how many. We have to put a circle for each one that she can still use. And I guess if her mittens get wet, she can put some new ones on. Okay. So we had 6 mittens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 mitten got lost. How many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are left. Down, around, and a hat on top. 5 are left. Wow. These subtraction stories can be a little confusing when you're not sure which ones to put X's on. Just do the counters a second time to check your work if you're not sure. All right, let's listen to this subtraction story. There were 6 lions sleeping. 4 lions woke up. So all of these lions were sleeping. All 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 lions woke up. The lions that are awake, those are the ones that we are going to put an X on. We're taking them out of the sleeping lions group. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the ones that are awake. They're not asleep anymore. Tell how many lions are still sleeping. Can you see it? 1, 2. These 2 are still in the group of sleeping lions. So 2 are still sleeping. So we have to know which group we're subtracting, right? We have to know which group is being taken out, which is subtracting from the group, and which are left. All right, well, that's all there is for today, and I will see you next time.